so hungry, guys. They're called the street puppies. They're just playing outside. I don't know where their mother is. So cute. This is the real street vibes, man.